These types of natural reels are going viral these days all over the internet, especially on Instagram. These Instagram accounts gain from 100 to 700,000 followers in a few months. Not only that, but they're also making thousands of dollars every month with simple nature reels. I will show everything with proof of how they are making thousands of dollars with this account. The best part of this niche is that you can create a similar video in just a few minutes without spending much time on the script or voiceover. Plus, I'll share some insider tips on how to monetize your content and start earning at least $5,000 per month. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at one of their viral videos. Beautiful, right? You'll be amazed at how easy it is to create something just like this. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps. You just need 3 things: a collection of prompts, text to image AI, and image to video AI. I made a free list of 10 prompts that you can pick up at the end of the video. Step 1. Generate stunning AI images. Our first step is to create eye-catching AI images. For this, we're going to use Leonardo AI. The link is in the description below. Once you're signed in, you'll see a gallery of mind-blowing AI-generated images. Here's the cool part. You can get 150 free credits every day, which is more than enough to start. In the image creation box, you'll need to type your prompt. Remember to choose the right aspect ratio. 9:16 works best for Instagram Reels, but 2:3 is also a good option. Next, select the anime preset for that vibrant look. As you can see, Leonardo AI generates some amazing results in just seconds. Step 2. Convert images into animated videos. Now that we have our images, it's time to bring them to life with animation. Leonardo AI has a built-in feature that allows you to convert these images into short videos with just a few clicks. Simply select your image, click on the Generate Motion Video icon, and within a few seconds, you'll have a beautiful animated clip. If you're not completely satisfied with the animation, don't worry. Leonardo AI is constantly improving. But for even better results, I recommend using another fantastic tool called Imersity AI. But it will put a watermark on your video so that it doesn't happen. Go to any editor, for example, Canva. Change the size from 1080 to 2500 and add your video so that there is space at the bottom. Export it and then go to Imersity AI. Imersity AI takes your images and creates professional-grade animations. Upload your AI-generated image, and you'll see it animating automatically. You can customize the style and settings to match the exact look you're going for. Once you're happy with the animation, just click Export and you're done. In just a few minutes, you have a high-quality 10-second video ready to go. Now we need to crop it so that there is no watermark. To do this, go to any video editing app like CapCut, which is free and available on all devices. Go to CapCut and add your video, click on Resize, and cut the bottom of the video to the desired size. If you want the video to be dynamic and longer, copy and paste it. Also add a transition between them so that no one can see that they are 2 identical videos. Select 2 videos and increase the speed. Then the video will be more dynamic. If you want to add background music, you can easily do that, but I recommend using trending music from Instagram. Export your video, and it is ready. Step 3. Monetize your content. Now that you've got your video, it's time to learn how to make money from it. If you take a close look at the bio of the account we've been talking about, you'll notice they're monetizing their content in 3 smart ways. First, they offer freelance services. They sell art created by artificial intelligence directly to their subscribers, and believe it or not, there is a big market for this. Many people don't have the time or skills to create these images themselves, so they are willing to pay for it. Second, they sell high-resolution wallpapers. Although images created by artificial intelligence are available to everyone, not everyone knows how to create the perfect hint to get a quality result. These accounts sell them for an average of $3 and have over 2,000 sales per month. Finally, they sell an online course that teaches others how to create similar AI-generated content. They charge $100 for the course, and with 10 sales per month, that easily amounts to $1,000. If you can scale it up to 50 sales, you'll make $5,000 a month. There you go. conclusion, and final tips. And there you have it. A simple 3-step process to create stunning AI-generated videos and monetize them on Instagram. Remember, the key to success is consistency and creativity. Keep experimenting with different prompts, animation styles, and monetization strategies. And most importantly, engage with your audience to build a loyal following. As promised, I leave 10 prompts under the video for easy creation of similar videos. Just copy and paste. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on how to grow your online presence and make money with AI tools. You can also find all links to the video in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.